All right, welcome back to Day Traders. It is a beautiful and sunny day. Sun is shining, birds are chirping. I hope you're out here enjoying this beautiful afternoon, what we call life. That being said, traders, let's get into today's trade recap. Off the rip, we just grind 125, 150 points. Was looking for a breakdown and then retest. Never got it. Once we rejected, took a key level right here. I didn't like it. Stopped myself out. I would have been stopped out. Lost about $30, $40 right here. Just cut it. Per Matt from Rocket Scooter, there are times where it's tough being the first bear to the party. And after this strong breakdown, I want to take that key level. And then we get the move I was looking for, but I didn't want to chase this after being called in this. And then short lows where we've defended key level before. You go to the 15. We've defended this level before. I am not going to short this, even though you could have had a little bit more of a room. More bad tends to happen than good. Lost $34 on that account a little bit early. Okay. We swap accounts. Go to next account. And then I tried going long three actual times. Got stopped out on one that I cut. I didn't get stopped out, but lost $30, and then took two BEs right here. I would have been stopped here. I tend to run 40-point stops, but I've been per Matt from Rocket Scooter again. But he's been talking about you can also run the largest 1 minute candle from that hour, and in here they were 60 points. So that would have saved me on here, but I would have been stopped out. I was early. In hindsight, again, a little bit early, but what can you do? Because there's times where, again, like, you miss this, it's gone. And here we had so much chop, and it's nice to see some of the pros, that I follow. Two of them had a tough time. One was trying to go long a little bit early. The other got stopped out trying to go short, and then got stopped out twice trying to go long. So it's not just me. It's great to see these pros deal with some of the issues. And then I saw this key point right here. I even posted in chat. I was going to the gym. I had to walk away. I was mentally just done after trying this, just being spent, just a little perturbed, and I knew this was going. But we're 0 for 2, 0 for 3 in the day with break evens. And I'm just like, I've got to learn to just let these go. But this is why you have to fire when the trades say, because you don't know if they're going to win or lose. The market's random, but you can put yourself on the best side of probability. And probability speaking, this just straight ate this trend line, and this is where we rock it. But this is like, you don't know if we do it here, we do it here. So a little bit better entries of what I should have had. I go for the breakout at time. Even though I am a reverse trend trader, I will try to go for that momentum. And there's times where it works for you. At times it doesn't. So we really protected the capital today. Lost $70. Days like this, typically I would have lost for 800 on these trades. So protecting the capital, only down 300 on the week across three accounts. Just a paper cut. Trading well, mitigating risk, mitigating that downside. Tried catching this short the afternoon. Don't be a dick for a tick. I have to learn that. Tried this key level at 6.6. We got to 6.3. Missed it by 3 points. And this is why I don't chase people, because rock it up, break down. So it's tough. Not an exact science, but the longer you stay in the game, the more you can pick up. And that's why it's not about trying to time the market, but your time spent in the market. And the market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. So you stay in the game. Days like this where it's not going for you, you cut it. And I am cutting losses a lot quicker than what I did, mitigating that risk and that downside. We're still up over $2,000 on the funded accounts, on 3 funded accounts. So just stay in the game long enough for the edge to play out, not do any dumb things, make irrational, emotional decisions. There's been a lot more robotic, systematic, following that rules-based approach. So we'll continue to do that. The wins will keep stacking as we remain in the game and stay solvent. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in today. Stay up, stay blessed, stay positive. Make it happen. Peace.